Day 3 of Hot Rod Power Tour 2025, and we're starting off at a little local breakfast place in this really nice little downtown area in Peatone, Illinois. And it's really cute. And here we are stuck in a traffic jam because of construction already. But you know, it's not too bad being stuck behind the 67 Camaro SS and some other fun cars. This is so great. It's like the entire town of Lowell has come out. They're everywhere watching us as we cruise through. I had to pull off and get some gas because my gas light came on, but going back onto the tour right now. Stopped real quick at Rusted Knuckles Garage because I got a little shindig going on out here, and my friend wanted me to see this crazy car that they dug up. It's got a big block in it. How crazy is that thing? Yeah, they showed me that you can open it up. It's a suicide door. But that's the brake. It's a lever actuated between your legs. And the gas is over there. And that's the automatic transmission. But you gotta be small to be able to run this thing. I guess this was big at US 30 drag strip here in Indiana, which is just north of here. But it's pretty darn cool. Look at that cool Dodge Semi. That thing is absolutely crazy. We got a live band here on the Power Tour today. And then, unfortunately, we had some of the worst traffic I've ever seen, so fun stuff. I'm going to see my friend Chris Jacobs here in a minute, I think, and go walk around and take pictures. Mr. Kenny Wayne Shepherd got his Duster here today. Unfortunately, I heard he had some issues yesterday, but he got it sorted out and got it here. Beautiful car. They got this cool trailer for racing, a racing simulator. That's pretty neat. And they move and everything. Oh, I mean, I think they've had this before, but I've never paid enough attention. Then my friends at Autometer are here. But yeah, a lot of people. It's really cool that there's 3 Ford GTs of this vintage here on Power Tour. Pretty darn cool. There's the other one over there. But they just backed in. The Avanti. And I'm pretty sure this is a real one, not one of the aftermarket ones. I-65 miles per hour for MPH. Then we got a custom Monte Carlo SS. That's different. Okay. This right here is a 1972 Dodge Challenger Rally. Probably originally a 340 car or something. But he's going to do the same. He did the same thing I'm going to do. He put the bigger Dodge Charger Magnum emblems on the hood because I think they look a lot better than the small ones. Look at this amazing Dodge van. It was sitting in a barn, and the guy listed it on eBay, and the owner got it. And this is it. I mean, it's original paint all the way around. Every bird is different. The only thing that's been redone is mechanical and wheels and tires. That thing is, and the inside's like just plain, but very cool. This is one of the reasons I love Power Tour. You got a really cool hot rod, truck, Cadillac, barn finds like 68 Hornet RT, Miata with an LS, custom hot rod with some sort of 2.8, big old Cadillac, and then LS, Chevelle SS, I mean, and a Bug, like funny car. Doesn't get much better than that. There's still people coming in. Currently walking the show, trying to find some cars I've been missing over the last few days. But it's really nice. There's all the way over there. There's all this on both sides of the main entryway. And then it goes pretty far down that way, and then that's the exit all the way down there, or one of them. So a lot of walking today, and it's a little bit hotter, but there's a nice breeze. And then there's stuff like this that pops up out of the blue. I don't know what, I mean, it's got flags on it. Looks kind of like a Corvette race car, but Screaming Banshee? I don't know. That is neat. Oh, it's definitely a Corvette, or it was a Corvette. Let's get the other side. Says anything different? I don't know. Same thing. Anyone know any history on this thing? If you guys know Boris, he's the gentleman that bought all those cars from Rockford. This is his car that he's taking on Power Tour. Him and his crew, they've got a few. But this is the car that he's driving. So if you see it on Power Tour, say hi. Making my way back towards the front, and I didn't even realize this thing ends in 15 minutes. But cool Jeep. M715, I think. I mean, I know that's what it's made up to be. I don't know if it's an original one or not, since it's all customized. Then we got a 72 Roadrunner 340 and GTOs and campers. A lot of cool stuff. You know, I have a soft spot for Dodge campers and RVs. I haven't seen this thing yet, and here it just showed up. Really cool. Dodge Club Cab. I think it's a camper special. But looks totally vintage to me. Dreamer. That is cool. Well, let's see what engine it's got. It's a big block, power steering, power brakes. Big old toolbox. That's cool. Some things are getting evil here on the Hot Rod Power Tour. Possibly more evil than others, but there's this, and then we finally wrangled each other. There's a Superbird. I'll show that in a minute. Everything from a TRX to a real Superbird. And this is the owner of the Superbird. He's been on a few. I've met him on multiple adventures. And sir, tell me about your Superbird.
1974 46-pack 4-speed, 36,000 original miles, white guts and interior. Had it for about 8 years. And it's, you know, we got the year one rallies on it, but also have the original stock tires that came with the car on it, numbers matching everything.
Very cool, sir. And like I said, I've met you at the Air Warrior reunion. You've had a few Superbirds. And are you doing the whole long haul on it with us?
Long haul. Done 11 of them.
That's awesome, sir. Well, then you'll see this thing on the road, and I got pictures from the other day of the car, but it's nice that I finally caught you. Thanks for talking to me, sir. All right, so I'm here with the gentleman, 17 years old. Oh, what? What the heck? What was that? Someone bust an airbag or something? I didn't think it was that. I think he just blew an airbag on the Oldsmobile. All right, I'm here with the owner of this 1963 Plymouth Savoy wagon, and he's 17 years old. And tell me about it, sir.
And I bought me and my dad originally bought this at the project company. I was gonna originally grab it nice and do everything, and surely enough, that never happened. We wanted to do more work than we wanted to. Walls were all rotted out. I mean, seats were dilapidated. Walls were dilapidated. Everything we could think of was 16 years old. And now it's got 383 big block.
Okay.
Stroked out to 426.
Nice.
Ross Racing and forged. It's
a very well built engine. It's got an automatic, right?
It's a 4L60.
Oh, 4L60. Yeah. And the cool thing is, he's doing the entire Power Tour with it.
5 years, it's doing 1,600 to 1,800 RPM down the highway.
All right, and towing a trailer. Here's something you don't see every day: a real 70 Superbird next to a 68 Plymouth Superbird-ish. They finished this car right before Hot Rod Power Tour and drove it here, and they've had a whole bunch of issues, but they're here. That's the important thing. And they're doing the long haul, so see both these cars traveling all the way to Ohio. Another beautiful evening here on Hot Rod Power Tour. Just got back from dinner, and I'm going to go check into my room, and wow, I got some serious hat hair. But a beautiful day, okay driving, a lot of cool people, a lot of cool cars. And tomorrow we head to Monroe, Michigan. So keep watching. Let me know what you think.